What's up guys, welcome to RPHD Pro, and this is it. This is all new Google Home Mini. In today's world we got to be smarter because world is getting smarter with its artificial intelligence and machine learning. We humans can learn a lot from books, from other people, from internet and whatnot. But how about the gadget? How about a machine if they want to learn as we humans do? Today we're going to review a product which is adopted with the machine learning, and we're going to check that out. Before that, check this B-roll and come back. Alright guys, so presenting you Google Home Mini. This is it. This is the all new Google Home Mini, guys. So this is incredibly smaller and cheaper with the price as well, and comes with affordable package of $50 in US. So with this particular Google Home Mini, you can ask a lot of questions like, hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow in Bangalore?
It'll be sunny tomorrow in Bengaluru with a high of 88 and a low of 58.
Hey Google, what's the time now?
6:25.
That's pretty accurate and very fast as well. So with this you can set the reminder as well. Let's try that out. Hey Google, set reminder.
What's the reminder?
Set reminder at 7:30 to go to school.
Sure, I'll remind you at 7:30 p.m.
You can also have much fun with this Google Home Mini. Now let's ask Google Home to play some music or tell some good jokes. Yeah. Hey Google, tell me some good joke.
Okay, here you go. If you want to open a store, I recommend selling stoves. You'll immediately offer a range of hot products.
Now let's jump into my favorite 4 features in this Google Home Mini. So the first thing is you can also broadcast a message to all your family members in the home with several different speakers connected. Of course, the Android home speakers. So if all the speakers are connected with this Google Home Mini around the home, you'll be able to broadcast a message. Say for example, you want to tell your family members to come down for a dinner, and you just have to broadcast a message with the Google Home Mini. So at the moment none of the speakers are connected in my home, so I'll not be able to do that. But however, there's one more smart little thing, and this is amazing in terms of automation. Alright, so the other amazing feature which I'm in love with this particular Google Home Mini is I can handle smart devices or smart lights, which I have at the moment. I'll be talking about this particular smart lights on the next video, so stay tuned and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so that you will be notified and you'll be able to view that video. So without wasting much time, let's go and handle this smart light. Hey Google, turn Dhoni to blue.
You got it, changing the Dhoni to blue.
Hey Google, turn Dhoni to red.
Okay, changing the Dhoni to red.
So this is smart lighting system which could be connected with this Google Home Mini. So I'm going to review more about this smart lighting systems, and again, do not miss out on hitting the subscribe button. So the next feature which I'm in love with is the music. Playing music with this Google Home Mini is just fun. Hey Google, play some music.
Playing some music on Google Play Music.
Hey Google, stop. So it's pretty easy and it takes up all the commands pretty easily. But however, there's still some of the issues on this Google Home Mini. The first issue is, you can see it right now. So I have played the music and I've asked Google to stop it. Now if I pick this up, hey Google, stop. It starts up automatically. So the other major issue with Google Home Mini is this Google Home Mini is still not available in India. So there are a lot of features which is not available in this Google Home Mini, like calling feature, sending a text with voice commands, and a lot of other services which Google Home has it in US, which is not in India. That's understandable because Google Home Mini is not yet available in India and it's only available in US, and I have got this particular device from US from one of my friends. Hey Google, stop. That's pretty irritating. So until unless I restart this device, I'll not be able to handle this on my hand. So this Google Home Mini can be used with an app. You can go to iOS or Play Store and download Google Home app, and it's pretty much simple and straightforward. It's a cakewalk to just set this device up. And once you have set, you're all ready to rock with Google Home Mini. So about the design of this Google Home Mini, it comes with marvelous fabric design on top, and which comes with gestures on top as well. So it has only one particular button, which is microphone mute and unmute button, and the bottom very small little reset button is provided. So this is very simplistic design, and we have some lights as well. So we can turn up the volume, turn down the volume, and when you switch it on, it gives you colorful lights of Google. Hey guys, I hope you like this particular video, and I also hope that you all have subscribed to my channel, and if you have not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and click that bell icon to get the notification so that you'll not miss out on the video. And thank you very much for watching, and talk to you guys on the next one. Peace.